Yes, welcome again to my mathematics online tutorial, and today we are still discussing binomial theorem. Look at this simple question on the board, which is example number 3, x minus y power 3, and we are still going to be using this formula written there. Look at it. To compare very well this question with the model, x is still equal to what? X, but my y is now, look at, y is now minus, see, y is now minus y. N is equal to 3. So all we need to do now is to substitute s equals to x, y equal to minus y, and n equal to 3 in this formula, and we are done. So now let's start. S is equals to s power n, which is 3, plus what is n? 3 combination 1, x is still x, n is 3 minus 1, then y is minus y, plus what is n? 3 combination 2, x is still x, then what is my n? N is 3 minus 2, then y what now? Square, plus what is n? N is still 3, and 3 combination what? 3, then x, 3 minus 3, what is my y? My y, even here, y is minus y. Here, y is what? Minus y power 3. Let's take it again so that I will not do mistake. Check it all over. X, at the s there, n is 3, put 3, plus n is 3, then the combination sign will bring it combination 1. X is still x, the n is 3, 3 minus 1, then y is minus 1, plus n, that is 3, combination 2, x is still x, that's why I put s here, n is 3, 3 minus what? 2, y is now minus y, then look at the square there, plus 3, n is 3, combination 3, then s, 3 minus 3. So we are going to stop here because when you check very well, 3 minus 3 is 0. So s is raised to the power of 0, while y is raised to the power of 3, which is our n, because n is 3. So we'll stop there. Then we'll now come back here and say x power 3 plus, what is 3 combination 1? 3 combination 1. This implies 3 factorial all over 3 minus 1 factorial multiplied by what? 1 factorial. And what is 3 factorial? It means 3 times 2 times 1 all over 3 minus 1 is 2 factorial, which is 2 times 1 multiplied by what is 1 factorial is 1. So 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1, 6. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 1. Sorry, 2 times 1 is 2, then 2 times 1 is also 2. So 6 all over 2 is 3. So permit me now to do this, and then we will now put 3 here. Alright? Then x, 3 minus 1 is 2. Then we put minus y here. Plus, what is 3 combination 2? You see the same process. It's 3 factorial all over 3 minus 2 factorial, then multiply by what? 2 factorial. What is 6? Sorry, 3 factorial is 6. Did it earlier. Then 3 minus 2 is 1. And what is 1 factorial? 1. Multiply by 2 factorial. What is 2 factorial? 2 times 1, which is what? 2. So we have the 2 here. Now have 6 all over. 1 times 2 is what? 2. So 6 all over 2 is 3. Alright? 6 over 1 times is what? 3. So we are bringing 3 there again. 3 x, 3 minus 2 is 1. So let's still put it 2. We're going to remove it. Then minus y square. Plus, what is 3 combination 3? The same process is 1, but how? Why is it 1? Look at it. 3 factorial, alright, all over 3 minus 3 factorial, alright, multiply by what? 3 factorial. Now, 3 factorial means 3 times 2 times 1, which is what? 6. 3 minus 3 is 0. So 0 factorial, use calculator, is 1. Then 3 factorial is 6. 1 times 6 is 6. 6 over 6 is 1. That is why we'll now say here 1. Then there's 3 minus 3 is 0. F minus y power 3. If you look at it critically, the power of s reduces. Look at here, s power 3, power 2, 1, 0. But the y increases. Here, there's no y. But here, minus y power 1, minus y power 2, minus y power 3. So finally, here, say s 3 plus. Because of this minus, this plus here will change to what? Minus. So we have minus 3s squared y. But here, the plus will still retain y. Look at it, minus y squared. Minus y squared is not equal to minus y times 2. No. Rather, it is minus y times minus y, where we can see minus cancels minus. So y times y is y squared. So we can therefore boldly write this to be what? 3s y squared. Then plus, look at it. This one, s power 0 is 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. But this minus y power 3 is like this minus y times minus y times minus y. So this minus cancels with this. Y times y squared times y power 3. But because there is a minus left, the minus must follow it. That is why this sign can never be plus. So this minus will now be here, so minus y power 3. Look at it again. S power 0 is 1. 1 times 1, 1. Then this is what? Minus y power 3. And last, this expression now is now the answer. Bye.